Have you ever wondered why the universe functions in such a perfect order? It's an intriguing thought, isn't it? The cosmos, vast and infinite, operates with a harmony that leaves us in awe. From the celestial bodies that orbit in perfect synchronicity, to the intricate patterns observed in nature, there's a sublime order that is deeply woven into the fabric of the universe. It's this fascinating order that we're about to explore. Today we'll delve into the concept of the perfect order of the universe. To understand this perfect order, we must first understand what the universe is. Picture a vast, seemingly infinite expanse, a cosmic canvas painted with a myriad of celestial bodies. That's the universe. It's everything that exists, from the tiniest particles to the largest galaxies, from the smallest moments of time to the longest stretch of eternity. The universe is incredibly diverse, home to an immense variety of structures and phenomena. There are galaxies, grand pinwheels of stars and gas, each one a metropolis of cosmic activity. Within these galaxies lie an even greater diversity of stars, from tiny red dwarfs to massive blue giants, each one a furnace of nuclear fusion. Surrounding these stars are planets, some rocky and barren, others gaseous and stormy. Yet among this cosmic menagerie, there are also planets like our own, blue and green oases of life. And let's not forget about the countless asteroids, comets, and other celestial objects that zip around in the cosmic dance. Yet despite its vastness and diversity, the universe is not a chaotic jumble. No, far from it. The universe operates according to certain laws and principles. Gravity pulls objects together, nuclear forces power the stars, and dark energy drives the expansion of the universe. Everything from the tiniest particle to the largest galaxy follows these rules, creating a cosmic ballet of motion and energy. The universe in its grandeur and intricacy is like an enormous cosmic clock, its parts moving in perfect synchrony. Each component, from galaxies and stars to planets and particles, plays a vital role in this cosmic mechanism. They all move and interact according to the laws of physics, creating a symphony of cosmic harmony. In essence, the universe is an intricate puzzle, a masterpiece of cosmic architecture. Each piece, no matter how small or large, has its place and purpose. They all come together to create the grand cosmic tapestry that we call the universe. The universe, in its grandeur and intricacy, functions in a remarkable order. So what exactly is this perfect order of the universe? Well, let's take a moment to delve into that. The perfect order is a term that we use to describe the intricate and complex system of laws that govern the universe. These laws, the laws of physics, are like the rules of a grand cosmic game, dictating how everything from the smallest particles to the largest galaxies behaves and interacts. Let's start with gravity. It's something we experience every day. But have you ever stopped to think about what it really is? Simply put, gravity is the force that draws objects towards each other. It's the reason why when you drop an apple, it falls to the ground instead of floating off into space. It's also the force that keeps the planets in our solar system orbiting around the sun. Now let's talk about motion. Everything in the universe, from the tiniest atom to the most massive star, is in constant motion. This is governed by Newton's laws of motion, which tell us that an object at rest tends to stay at rest, and an object in motion tends to stay in motion, unless acted upon by an external force. And then there's energy conservation. This principle states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transferred or transformed. So, if you're eating an apple, you're not creating energy, but rather transferring the energy stored in the apple into your body. These are just a few examples of the laws that maintain the perfect order of the universe. They may seem complex, but they're incredibly simple at their core. They ensure that regardless of where we are in the universe, we can predict how things will behave based on these laws. They keep the stars shining, the planets spinning, and life as we know it possible. These laws ensure that everything in the universe operates in a predictable and orderly manner. Whether we're looking at the dance of galaxies or the flight of a bird, we're witnessing the perfect order of the universe in action. Now, let's explore some examples of this perfect order. Starting with our very own solar system, the planets orbit the sun in a harmonious dance that has been ongoing for billions of years. Each planet, from the innermost Mercury to the distant Neptune, follows a specific path around the sun, known as an orbit. These orbits are elliptical, not perfectly circular, but they're incredibly predictable and consistent. This isn't mere coincidence or happenstance, but a manifestation of the universe's perfect order. Moving beyond our solar system, we can witness the life cycle of stars. Stars, much like living beings, go through stages of birth, maturity, and eventual death. They're born in nebulae, vast clouds of gas and dust. Over millions of years, these celestial nurseries give birth to stars, which then spend billions of years fusing hydrogen into helium in their cores. Once they exhaust their fuel, they die, often in spectacular explosions called supernova. And from their remnants, new stars and planets can form. This cycle, this cosmic rhythm of life and death, is another testament to the perfect order of the universe. Finally, let's consider the predictability of celestial events. Astronomers can forecast solar and lunar eclipses, meteor showers, and even the appearance of comets with astounding accuracy. This is because these events follow set patterns and rules. The consistency and predictability of these events underpin the concept of cosmic order. Consider the Halley's Comet, for instance. This comet, visible from Earth every 76 years, has been recorded by astronomers for over 2,000 years. Its next appearance? Predicted to be in the year 2061. This predictability, this order, is woven into the very fabric of the cosmos. These examples, the orbits of planets, the life cycles of stars, the predictability of celestial events, aren't exceptions to the rule. They are the rule. They're not anomalies, but examples of the norm. These examples show the universe's perfect order in action. Why is this perfect order so crucial? When we delve into the heart of this question, we find ourselves standing at the crossroads of life itself. The perfect order of the universe, it's not just a cosmic coincidence or a grand spectacle for our admiration. No, it's much more than that. It's the very reason for our existence, the fundamental rule that allows life to flourish. Imagine a universe where planets wobble and spin out of their orbits, where stars burn out too quickly, where galaxies collide more frequently. In such a chaotic universe, the delicate balance that is necessary for life to exist would be disrupted. The conditions would be too harsh, too unpredictable for life to take root, let alone thrive. Yet, here we are in a universe that seems to have hit the sweet spot. A universe that is just right for us. It's the perfect order that makes it possible. It's the regularity of the seasons, the reliability of day following night, and the constancy of the elements that make up our world and our bodies. But the importance of this perfect order extends beyond just life. It's also the key that unlocks the door to scientific discovery and exploration. You see, science is all about understanding patterns, about making sense of the order that exists. And it's this order that has allowed us to make the incredible scientific and technological advancements we've seen. From the laws of physics that guide the path of a rocket to the moon, to the biological processes that govern our very own bodies, order is at the root of it all. It's this order that allows us to predict, to plan, to innovate, and to explore. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that the twinkling stars are not just points of light in the darkness. They're a testament to the perfect order that governs our universe, an order that is crucial to our existence and our understanding of the world around us. Without this perfect order, the universe as we know it would be vastly different. So we've seen how the universe operates in a perfect order. A rhythm, a pattern that seems too beautiful to merely be the product of chance. We've journeyed together from the grand question of the universe's order to the unraveling of its intricate design. We've discovered that this perfect order isn't just an abstract concept, but a tangible reality that has shaped every aspect of our existence. From the rotation of galaxies millions of light years away, to the orbit of electrons around the nucleus of an atom, there's a consistency, a precision that is simply awe-inspiring. We explored examples of this perfect order, showcasing the almost poetic harmony of celestial bodies moving in their appointed paths and the precision of natural phenomena right here on our own planet. The importance of this order cannot be overstated. It's the reason why life as we know it exists. It's the reason why we can predict the rising and setting of the sun, the change of seasons, and the ebb and flow of tides. This perfect order is a testament to the beauty of the universe, a silent symphony that plays out across the cosmos, with each celestial body dancing to its own unique tune. It's a constant reminder of our place in the grand scheme of things. Next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember the perfect order that governs those distant stars and galaxies.